Do you know that there could be a mysterious ninth planet in the outer reaches of our solar system? And no, we are not talking about Pluto. The astronomy community is currently divided on the question of whether there exists a ninth planet. And there is one reason why researchers like Konstantin and Michael Brown, who first proposed the Planet 9 theory in 2016, are so convinced. And it is called Trans-Neptunian Objects, or TNOs. TNOs are small icy bodies that orbit around Neptune, the farthest known planet from the Sun. But their orbital path is very strange. These bodies have a highly elongated orbit where on one end they come really close to a Neptune and on the other end they reach a distance hundreds of times far away from it. This abnormality is explained by the hypothetical Planet 9's gravitational pull. Think of it this way, all planets revolve around the Sun because of its strong gravitational force. Moons revolve around planets because of their proximity to a planet makes them overcome the Sun's gravitational pull. But these icy bodies do not follow any of these rules. Instead, they move in an egg-shaped path where Neptune lies at one end and nothing on the other. Some scientists have contradicted this theory by explaining the movement of icy bodies through galactic tide, or the tidal gravitational force created by the Milky Way galaxy. But the researchers have recently proved through simulations that galactic tide cannot generate so much pull. If you are wondering why are we not using the James Webb Space Telescope to see the planet, the reason is simple. The planet is so far away from the Sun that it does not receive enough light that can be reflected and captured by even the most powerful telescope we have. So what's next? The Vera Rubin Observatory. This under-construction telescope observatory in Chile will be one of the most powerful on-ground telescopes on the planet. Even if it cannot see Planet 9, it can take a better look at the icy bodies and reveal their path better, shedding more light into Planet 9's existence. It is expected to begin its survey in August 2025. Keep watching Gadgets 360 for more cosmic updates like these.